It was a perfectly normal day. The sun was shining bright and I was ready for a nice day of surfing. I was in Costa Rica. I'd been there for a little bit because I was on vacation. This day seemed normal to me, but it actually changed my whole entire life. That day, I saw something that not many people get to see: a turtle hatching. I watched in awe as baby turtles cracked out of their shells and walked towards the ocean. This stirred something in me. Before going to Costa Rica, I had went to over 20 other countries in the Caribbean. I had seen animals of all kinds, shapes, and sizes. I'd seen howler monkeys, angelfish, and even sharks. Seeing all these animals gave me something that I hadn't had before: a love. Animals were always fun to see in a zoo, but experiencing them in their natural habitat opened up a place in my heart for them. Now I own a dog that I can care for, but after hearing things on the news, I'd like to raise some awareness. Did you know that roughly a third of all human-related greenhouse gas discharges are absorbed by the ocean? Or how about that average wildlife populations have dropped by 60% in just over 40 years? The saddest fact, though, is that scientists have foretold that by 2050, 20 to 30% of the Earth's plant and animal species will become extinct. Climate change is hurting us, our planet, and the animals that live on it. Look at this picture here. The actions that humans have made killed these animals. A significant amount of species are going to die, like these animals, if we don't do something about this problem. Rising temperatures are affecting these animals. For example, cheetahs. Cheetahs are having a harder time reproducing because of the rise in temperature. Also, sea turtles are becoming more female because of heat, and this could affect the amount of sea turtles. The climate change is causing tons of droughts and intense storms. This affects African and Asian elephants because of their urgent need for water. If we don't do something about climate change, it will make animals go extinct. Think about polar bears. The warming of the oceans and atmosphere is melting the ice in the Arctic. Without this ice, it is harder for them to hunt their prey. The heat also melts their natural habitat. Try to imagine going to the forest and not seeing a single animal. Our future generations may not ever be able to see animals in their natural habitats. It's going to be very sad when you show a kid a picture of an animal and they ask if they can see it, and you have to say it's not alive anymore. If we raise awareness and make small changes in our lives, we can help animals survive. For example, by having a reusable water bottle, carpooling, or riding a bike more often, you can help lower greenhouse gas emissions, helping animals and the environment. Also, by just using good light bulbs in windows, you can not only help animals but also save lots of money. Or even by just donating to conservation and charity organizations that help animals can make a huge difference. All we have to do is a tiny thing, but this tiny thing will make a big difference. By working together and raising awareness, we can save animals. Thank you.